Why, hello, my young Padawans. My name is Bryce. As you all know, I am very, very fat. Fat, I tell you. So, let's have a free dance. Okay. Hello? Hello? Oh, hi. My name... Oh, what? No, I am not hiding a schnauzer. Oh, my wiener. Oh, okay. That is the... So you like little kids? Oh, I see. You like to fit them in jock straps and stuff. Okay, bye. So that was my old friend Dick. Likes little kids. Great man. He has pictures of kids in their underwear and stuff. Good man. I see handcuffs, I see. See what we can do with these babies. Oh, damn it. Okay. See if I can't get out of here, I'm screwed, man. Screwed. I tell you, screwed! Jeez, why don't people listen these days? God! Put myself in. Yeah. I can't get out! No, it's simple. See, watch. I can't get myself up. Oh, no. Your key this time. Oh, great. Look what else I found. A pencil. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Speaking of fishes, this is my fish. I caught this when I was 5 years old. 5. It's amazing. Now, I need to try and get myself out of these. Oh my gosh, I did. Oh. That's why we all learn our lesson not to put our hands in stuff that we don't know what it is.